Hey guys, quick video here. If your Blomberg washing machine is not spinning, there is too much soap in laundry and is attempting to rinse the soap out. Also, it may not be draining due to clogged filter. We had the exact same issue. Recently moved into an apartment with existing units, and after about 3 months, a marketer experiencing this. I was using 2 Tide Pods on a very thick blanket. The machine would attempt to get the soap out, but the filter was clogged. Remove the filter and clean it, seeing if it solves the problem. Only 1 Tide Pod. So remove the filter and clean it, and maybe it's going to start like spinning. So this is the one thing, and if this is like the software thing, you can like completely unplug it for like 10 minutes, then plug it back in after those 10 minutes, and maybe it's going to also fix the issue. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.